Hello, I'm Dr. Monica Oviedo, proud superintendent of Whittier Union High School District. Today, I'm visiting California High School, home of the Condors. At California High, students have access to several academies and programs that help them explore their passions and prepare for the future. One standout program is the Hospitality House Culinary Arts Academy, where students receive hands-on experience in the food and hospitality industry. This program provides invaluable real-world skills as students learn the basics of food safety, master cooking equipment, compete in baking and cooking competitions, and even earn their certified food handlers and Serve Safe certifications. This is just one of our outstanding programs. At Whittier Union, we are proud to offer a variety of career-focused academies that help students identify potential career paths and prepare them for life after high school. The spring semester has been filled with remarkable achievements and milestones across our district. In February, our Whittier Union community connected with local businesses and vendors at the Wake Up Whittier event in partnership with the Whittier Area Chamber of Commerce. It was a fantastic opportunity to strengthen relationships, exchange ideas, share stories, and celebrate the collaboration that makes our community so special. Thank you to all the volunteers who made this event such a resounding success. February was also Career Technical Education Month, highlighting the impact of CTE in preparing students for college and career success. Our schools and staff truly embraced the occasion, continuing to demonstrate how CTE programs prepare students for the workforce, enhance engagement, improve graduation rates, and lead to better career outcomes and higher earnings. We are so proud of all our CTE students and their hard work. March brought exciting athletic achievements for Whittier Union. Our student athletes showcased their talent and dedication, excelling in league and CIF competitions as the winter season came to a close and the spring season got underway. A special congratulations to California High School's boys basketball team for making history by winning the CIF Southern Section Division 4A championship, the program's first ever CIF title. We are incredibly proud of their hard work, teamwork, and determination. Way to go, Condors! March was also a time for celebration and inspiration as we honored Women's History Month by recognizing the achievements and contributions of women. On March 7, female students from across the district attended the 29th Annual Women's History Conference at Rio Hondo College, where they heard from keynote speaker and Whittier Union Board of Trustees Vice President Irma Rodriguez Moisa. As a dedicated attorney, community advocate, and longtime Whittier resident, Irma shared powerful insights that encourage students to pursue their goals with confidence and determination. Our students also participated in inspiring workshops, leaving the event feeling motivated, empowered, and ready to make an impact in their communities. As we approach the final stretch of the school year and prepare for graduation season, I encourage all students to prioritize their mental health and well-being. If you ever need support, remember that Whittier Union has a variety of resources available. Whether it's speaking with a counselor, seeking guidance, or unwinding in one of our wellness centers, we are here to support you every step of the way so you can finish the year strong and ready for what's next. As we look to the exciting months ahead, let's continue to embody our mission to achieve and maintain excellence. Thank you for watching and see you next time.